Welcome to our video on the pros and cons of credit cards. Is plastic right for you? Credit cards have become an essential part of our financial lives, allowing us to make purchases and payments easily and securely. However, they come with their own set of advantages and disadvantages. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of credit cards and help you decide whether they're the right financial tool for you. Part 1. The pros of credit cards. Credit cards offer several advantages that make them a popular financial tool. Let's take a closer look at the pros of credit cards. Convenience. Credit cards are easy to use and widely accepted, making them a convenient way to make purchases online or in store. Rewards and perks. Many credit cards offer rewards and perks, such as cashback, points, and airline miles, for using them. These rewards can add up quickly and help you save money on your purchases. Building credit. Responsible use of credit cards can help you build your credit score, which is essential for getting approved for loans, mortgages, and other types of credit in the future. Security. Credit cards offer more protection against fraud and theft compared to other forms of payment. If your card is lost or stolen, you can report it and get a refund for any unauthorized charges. Part 2. The cons of credit cards. Despite their advantages, credit cards also have some downsides that you should be aware of. Let's take a closer look at the cons of credit cards. High interest rates. Credit cards often come with high interest rates, which can quickly add up if you carry a balance from month to month. Fees. Credit cards also come with various fees, such as annual fees, late payment fees, and balance transfer fees, which can increase the cost of using them. The temptation to overspend. Credit cards can make it easy to overspend, especially if you're not disciplined with your finances. This can lead to debt and financial stress. Damage to credit score. Late payments, missed payments, and high balances on your credit cards can damage your credit score, making it harder to get approved for credit in the future. Part 3. Is plastic right for you? Now that we've explored the pros and cons of credit cards, it's time to decide whether they're the right financial tool for you. Here are some questions to ask yourself. Can you use credit cards responsibly? This means paying your balance in full each month, avoiding overspending, and not taking on more debt than you can handle. Will you benefit from the rewards and perks offered by credit cards? If you're someone who makes frequent purchases and can take advantage of rewards programs, credit cards may be a good option. Can you afford the fees and interest rates associated with credit cards? Make sure you understand the costs of using credit cards and whether they fit into your budget. In conclusion, credit cards can be a useful financial tool if used responsibly and with caution. They offer convenience, rewards, and protection against fraud, but also come with high interest rates, fees, and the potential for overspending. By understanding the pros and cons of credit cards and asking yourself the right questions, you can decide whether plastic is right for you. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and helpful.